Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Facebook Reels not showing. So, if you don't know what Facebook Reels means, this is what Facebook Reels looks like. So, if you open your Facebook application, you will see here above or on the top. So, some people can't see this option, and there are a few reasons why. Maybe you need to update your Facebook application or it's not available in your country. So, as you can see here, all you have to do is to scroll down to watch some reels. Now, if you switch to your Facebook page, some users cannot see that Reels feature here on your homepage. So, if that's the case, what you want to do is to click this three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down to see that Reels option or feature. So tap this one to watch Reels. Now, if you still can't see this after you update your Facebook application, then you can go to report a problem and wait for the customer service team to respond to this issue. But actually, even if after you update your Facebook application and report the problem, if this Reels option or feature doesn't show up, it only means that this one or this feature is not yet available in your country. Facebook Reels are now accessible on iOS and Android apps in 150 countries worldwide. It is possible that you aren't able to see or create Reels because this function is not accessible in your country. You will quickly realize that Reels not showing up on your Instagram or Facebook is not a bug you can remedy if your nation isn't listed. So you could try utilizing a VPN to watch Reels or go to your settings, look for location, and then change your location if it's possible. And that's how easy it is to fix Facebook Reels not showing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.